Accessing Copilot in Excel. What is Excel Copilot? Excel Copilot is an innovative add-in developed by AbleBits, designed to augment your Excel workflow with advanced AI capabilities. It provides intelligent suggestions and auto-completions in real time as you work on your spreadsheets, helping you save time, reduce errors, and unlock new possibilities in Excel. Licensing Prerequisites. Copilot for Microsoft 365 is available as an add-on plan with specific licensing prerequisites, including Microsoft 365 E5, E3, Office 365 E3, E5, Business Standard, Business Premium, and select faculty plans. You can activate Copilot by saving your file to OneDrive or SharePoint and ensuring the autosave option is enabled if the Copilot button appears grayed out in Excel. Accessing Copilot. Open your desired Excel workbook in your web browser. Navigate to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Locate the Copilot button on the Home tab. It might appear as an icon resembling a light bulb or a thought bubble. If you can't find the Copilot button, your Microsoft 365 subscription might not include Copilot. Check your plan details. Copilot might be rolling out gradually to specific regions or user groups. Microsoft might not have enabled it for your account yet. Troubleshooting tips. Check for updates. Ensure you're using the latest version of web-based Excel. Outdated versions might not have Copilot functionality. Sign out, sign back in. Sometimes, a simple refresh can resolve access issues. Try signing out of your Microsoft 365 account and signing back in to see if the Copilot button appears. Clear browser cache cookies. Corrupted cache or cookies can sometimes interfere with functionalities. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then revisit your Excel workbook. Limit of Copilot rows and columns. The actual limit on the number of rows, and consequently, cells, in Excel depends on the version you're using. Excel 2007 and earlier 65,536 rows, which translates to 65,536 columns. Excel 2010 and later, 1 million rows, which translates to the same number of columns, for a maximum of 1 million cells. Here is the key takeaway. Copilot doesn't limit the number of cells. You can use Copilot's functionalities even with large datasets within the limitations of Excel itself. Excel has limitations. The maximum number of rows and cells depends on your Excel version. How Copilot can help with large datasets. While Excel has limitations, Copilot can still be a valuable tool when working with large datasets by suggesting formulas and data analysis tools. This helps you analyze complex datasets and identify trends without needing to manipulate millions of cells manually. Recommending data cleaning techniques. Cleaning your data can potentially reduce the number of rows needed for analysis, allowing you to work more efficiently within Excel's limits. Helping you visualize your data. Charts and pivotables created with Copilot suggestions can help you gain insights from large datasets without needing to scroll through every single row. Note: based on the provided sources, Copilot in Excel works for Excel tables of up to 2 million cells. While some skills like formula column suggestions, highlight, sort, and filter do not have a limit on the amount of data you can interact with, it's important to note that interacting with large tables may result in longer response times, possibly taking 30 seconds or more to get a response from Copilot. How to get started with Excel Copilot. Installation. Visit the AbleBits website and download the Excel Copilot add-in. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the add-in on your computer. Activation. Once installed, activate Excel Copilot within Excel by navigating to the Add-ins tab and selecting Excel Copilot from the list of available add-ins. Usage. Start using Excel Copilot by opening a spreadsheet and typing as you normally would. Copilot will automatically analyze your input and provide suggestions in real time. Customization. Explore Copilot's settings to customize its behavior according to your preferences. You can adjust the types of suggestions offered, enable or disable specific features, and more. Excel Copilot in action. Let's see Excel Copilot in action with a practical example. Scenario: you are creating a sales report in Excel and need to calculate the total sales for each product category. Start by typing your formula in the cell where you want the total sales to appear. As you type, Excel Copilot will offer suggestions based on the context of your formula, such as sum ifs or pivot tables. Choose the suggestion that best fits your needs, and Copilot will automatically complete the formula for you. Voila! You have successfully calculated the total sales for each product category with the help of Excel Copilot. Key features of Microsoft 365 Copilot in Excel. Intelligent formulas. Copilot analyzes your data and provides smart suggestions for formulas and functions based on the context of your spreadsheet. Say goodbye to manual formula writing and let Copilot do the heavy lifting for you. Data analysis assistance. Need to perform complex data analysis. Copilot offers guidance on data analysis techniques such as pivot tables, charts, and statistical functions, helping you uncover insights and make informed decisions. Formatting and visualization. Copilot assists with formatting cells, creating charts, and visualizing data effectively. Whether you are designing reports or presenting findings, Copilot ensures your spreadsheets look polished and professional. Error detection and correction. Copilot helps identify and correct errors in your formulas and calculations, minimizing the risk of inaccuracies and ensuring data integrity in your spreadsheets. Workflow optimization. Copilot streamlines your workflow by automating repetitive tasks and providing shortcuts for common Excel functions. Spend less time on manual tasks and more time analyzing results and driving business decisions. Using Copilot for data analysis. Format your data in Excel as a table, then select it and click on the Copilot button in the ribbon to get started with Copilot analysis. Copilot can show insights based on your data or specific questions you ask about your data, providing charts, pivotable objects, summaries, trends, or outliers to help you gain insights and make the most of your data. Asking questions and receiving insights. You can describe what you would like to know by asking a question about your data in your own words, and Copilot will analyze your data to show insights such as charts, summaries, and trends. Be specific with your questions to help Copilot provide more accurate and relevant assistance, including specifying column headers for formatting or analysis queries. Adding insights to your Excel sheet. After Copilot has analyzed your data, you can review different insights and choose to add charts or roll insights to a grid in a new sheet. You can also undo these actions if needed. Copilot assists in managing, cleaning, and transforming data efficiently by identifying issues like missing values and inconsistencies, offering actions like removing duplicates and performing advanced analytics using Python libraries. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.